ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a very interesting and very beautiful presentation slide where bubbles are moving around and they are giving us a notion of very nice looking presentation. So we will try to see how we can create that animation of bubbles. So we'll go to presentation. I am already in presentation. I have prepared this. Let me take a new slide and show you how we can do it. First of all, what we can do is we have to take insert a rectangle, go to shapes and rectangle, and then what we can do, we can increase the transparency so that bubble looks good. And you can go to shapes for this rectangle and remove the say no outlines. Now we'll have to draw a bubble. Click on this shape and try to draw a circle. Go to shapes and draw a circle. And now we have to prepare this circle as a nice looking bubble. First of all, what we'll do, we'll go to gradient fill and we'll see in gradient fill what we have to do. In preset gradients, we have to select gradient, in the sense different types of colors can be put in a single shape. So here we have linear. Try to observe here, and we have to select it as a radial so that a bubble looks radially different color. Okay, and now so these are different gradients stops. That means we can add as many number of gradients as we want. For every color we have a indicator here. So I select this, I go to colors and I select this color. See, I select this, I go to this color, and this color is already selected. How do I do that? So let me select it here. See, this is from here. I'm selecting this. I'll go to colors, select this indicator, go here, go to more colors, and the selected color is this. Okay, we can still customize it by increasing and decreasing the values. So again, we will select this indicator and color is this one. Basically we have to select gray, red and purple colors and select this indicator, go to colors and select this color. So I'll show you one color selection. I'll take this indicator, go here, go to more colors and go to standard one. See, the knob that is selected is somewhere here, okay, or here. You select any knob near greenish knob, and what we can do, we can go to customs and increase or decrease the transparency. What happens here? See, color becomes like this. So if add on these kind of different colors in a single shape, and then we can go with the 3D 3D animations, then it looks like a bubble. Then after taking these gradient points, see, gradient points, I can move this point further and see when I'm trying to move it, observe the color over here. I'm trying to move this color, so see it is gradiently moving like this. So wherever I'll keep it here, I'll keep this point, I'll try to move this point here. Look at the changes in the, so gradually it is changing. So we can add or delete gradient points according to our requirement. So these are the colors that I have chosen. If you want different colors, Then we can choose what we can add one more gradient point, and then we can choose different color. Let me delete it now. Something like this. Okay, so now after filling up this gradient, then we have to go here, select this tab, then go to show it from here. So it looks like this. Go to 3D format, hit on that, then go to top level, select top level 3D format. So select round shape and keep the angle to 50, sorry, width and height to 50. Then go to contour colors and select it white. Go to material and select the last one, and again go to lighting, select this glow and keep the angle as 110. Okay, now our bubble is ready. So this is looking like a bubble now. Now what we have to do, we have to first copy this, duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D. So how many times we do, those many bubbles will be created. Like I am doing duplicate. Say I have taken around 5 bubbles here. Let us take only 5 and try to do the animation now. You take it here and here, take it outside the frame, and if you want you can take 2 more, something like this. You can reduce the sizes of the bubble as well, like this, like this, and like this, and you can keep it. Now I'll select this, go to animations, go to add animations. In add animations, go to custom path. So if you have selected custom path, then you can take the bubble from here to anywhere in the frame. So I am drawing the path here. So what I am trying to do, I am trying to take like this. Okay, then escape. So bubble will be moving like this. Okay, now we have taken that animation. Go to animation pane. This is very important. In animation pane, what we have to do, say we have to click with previous. Okay, so if I don't click with previous, say now it was on click. Now I'll go to slideshow, so that doesn't move. We have taken the animation as on click. I'll click now, so after I click it comes out. So if you take with previous, then it automatically starts. Okay, that is how it is. And now it is looking very fast. So what we can do, we can increase the duration to somewhere around 6 or 7 seconds, something like this. Now you see it moves slowly. It is bubble moving very slowly. What we can do, you can still reduce the path of it somewhere here, and we can finish it by adding one more end animation for that, something like this. We'll try to select this, go to animations again, and add animation path. The exit animation can be like this, fade. Okay, now let us try to play it. It is fading, but after a click. Now we don't want to fade it as soon as it starts, so we have to drag this fading part somewhere here at the end and do it with previous. When I click do it with previous, it comes, you drag it here somewhere here, you can observe it now. Now without clicking it fades, right? So that is how we can animate a bubble. Now similarly you can animate these as well. Go to animations first, then go to custom path. You can draw a path anywhere, somewhere here like this, and say escape. Then again same thing, what we have to do, we have to go to animation pane, say with previous. That means you take it from the beginning, because all the bubbles have to begin from the end. Then for this again you can add a exit animation like fade. Okay, so exit should be like this, it should be at the end, and it should not be on click, it should be with previous. So what we'll do, yeah, now similarly we can do for this animation, go to animations, add animation, then custom path, drag it somewhere like this, leave it here, escape, and I go to animation pane. Again for that as well, you can take it 6 point something like this and go to exit animation. Here you say with previous, drag it here till here and here. Why I'm doing is I'm not keeping it here because exit animation is to go from the frame, go out from the frame. So it begins and at the same time it goes out, so it will not appear in the screen. So we have to take it at the end. Now again for this, you go to animations, add animations, custom path. You can take any path, something like this. Okay, we'll finish it here. So again, for that you can add exit animation as fade, and it is beginning from here, and again we can say with previous and take this here, this also with previous. If it is with previous, then you have to reduce it like this, something like this. This is also with previous, you have to bring it. And so why I'm doing for all these things is with previous is because if I don't do it with previous, then they don't come out unless I click. By default all are on click animation. Okay, so again I'll go here, go to custom path and select like this. Yes, I'll end it here, and again same with previous, drag it here at the beginning because all the bubbles have to begin from the start. Again for this we add a exit animation, again say with previous, and we can put it like this. And same thing for this, add animation, custom path, you take any path, so that will take, escape for that. Again the animation should be with previous, and you can drag it to beginning till here, add animation, that is exit animation, and see with previous and put it here. Okay, now we'll see how it happens. You can see bubbles are moving and fading. If you know, you can increase the duration of the bubbles a bit, somewhere 6 point or 7. You can just write 7 here, 7. If it is looking very fast, you can write 7 or 8, and 7, 7, and 7. Yeah. And you can move all these things a little bit right side. Anyways, so that is how we can animate the bubbles. It looks beautiful slide. Thank you. And one more thing I'll show you here. So it is coming, bubbles are coming once and they are stopping. For that, what we can do, you select all these animation types, shift and select everything. We can do one thing there, select all these things and right click and go to effect options. In timing, you say repeat until the next end of the slide. So what happens now? You go to slide animation. They're fading. Again they'll begin. Since they'll start beginning like earlier. So that is how these bubbles continuously float on the screen. This is how I have created that slide. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe to my channel, and click on bell icon to get updates on my upcoming videos. Thank you once.